Environmental Management Bureau, EMB. Question: how does the Environmental Management Bureau, EMB, address air and water pollution in urban areas in the Philippines? Answer: the Environmental Management Bureau, EMB, addresses air and water pollution through strict enforcement of the Clean Air Act and the Clean Water Act. For air quality, EMB monitors industrial emissions and regulates pollutants, particularly in densely populated urban centers such as Metro Manila and Cebu. The Bureau enforces emissions standards on vehicles and promotes cleaner fuel options to reduce air pollution from transportation. EMB also engages in air quality monitoring and public awareness programs, ensuring communities understand the importance of air quality and ways to reduce pollution. In terms of water pollution, EMB monitors water bodies and enforces regulations on industrial wastewater, requiring companies to treat their waste before discharge. EMB also partners with local governments to address sewage and household waste issues, aiming to improve the quality of rivers and coastal waters. These programs are vital in managing pollution levels and enhancing public health in urban areas.